The Nile crocodile. Journal article. The Nile crocodile is the largest crocodile in Africa. It is a fearsome animal with huge jaws. It also has large teeth. Its strong body can move quickly. Habitat. The Nile crocodile lives in the warmer parts of Africa. It must live near water. The animal will die without it. The Nile crocodile might live in tranquil freshwater lakes. It might live in muddy, swampy rivers. It might even live in a ditch. The Nile crocodile sometimes travels as far as 15 miles in search of water. Nile crocodiles can live for short periods in salt water. Scientists think that at some point they even swam across the channel that separates Madagascar from Africa. This would explain how this kind of crocodile came to live on Madagascar. Behavior. The Nile crocodile is a cold-blooded animal. It depends on its surroundings to keep its body warm and cool. To warm up, it lies in the sun to absorb heat. To cool off, it moves into the shade or the water. It also opens its mouth to let heat escape. Diet. For some crocodiles, waiting in the water for hours for its food might seem tiresome. For the Nile crocodile, however, it's all in a day's work. Unlike many animals that hunt on land, the Nile crocodile does not target mainly sick, lame, and weak animals. Instead, it waits to attack any animal that comes near. For example, a gazelle, a deer-like animal that moves with grace, might wander over for a drink. Its elegant neck reaches down to the water. At that moment, the Nile crocodile shoots out of the water. It grabs the gazelle with its huge jaws. A Nile crocodile eats almost anything that it can catch. It enjoys fish. It eats small or large land animals. It will even eat other crocodiles. Description. Most people don't get close enough to a Nile crocodile to inspect it. However, if you could take a close look, you would see strong feet and legs. The tail is very strong too. It moves the crocodile through the water quickly. The tail is so powerful, in fact, that it can knock down a large animal. The eyes and nostrils of this crocodile are on the top of its head. This makes it possible for the crocodile to suspend its body underwater and still see and breathe. Tourists travel in boats to see Nile crocodiles. Both professional and amateur photographers have taken photographs of this fierce animal. Wise visitors know they must stay clear of its tail and mouth. If hungry, a Nile crocodile will take a bite out of almost anything, or anyone.